How to add WhatsApp and calling button to Google Sites. Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. The first thing you want to do is open a second tab and you're going to go onto elfsite.com. Once you're on elfsite.com, you're going to hover over widgets in the top left hand corner. Then from here, what I want you to do next, you're going to see the option WhatsApp chat. You're going to tap on that. After you have done that, all you'll need to do now, we are going to scroll down and we are going to be editing our widget. So you can see the different templates from the left hand menu option right here. So all you will need to do is simply scroll down and you can select any one of these templates as you can see here. Once you have found a template that you like, you'll tap on continue with this template. After you have done that, from here you're going to enter your phone number. After entering your phone number, from here you can choose the chat bubble. You could tap right there and you can change the bubble icon if you want. You can also go back, you can change the chat header. So for example, you could change the display pic right here. You could remove this picture and put in your own picture. You can also change the name. After doing that, you can also change the welcome message that persons will receive. So you can change that right there. And you can change the start chat button if you want. So let me enter the phone number real quick so you can see how it looks. After you have done that, you're going to tap on start for free and you can see it right there. Then all I would need to do now is tap on publish in the top right hand corner. Once you have tapped on publish, you'll be redirected to this page and you're going to tap on select right below the free plan. After you have tapped on select, all you'll need to do now, once you're back on this page, you'll simply tap on install. After selecting install, you're going to tap on copy code. Once you have copied the code, you're going to go back into Google Sites. Once on Google Sites, all you'll need to do now is simply scroll down, select the section that you would like to add the WhatsApp call button or the WhatsApp chat button, better yet. Then you're going to tap on embed, then select embed code, and you're going to paste in the code that you have copied right here. Then you're going to tap on next. After you have tapped on next, you can see the button right there. Then you'll simply tap on insert and you can see it right here. And if we were to tap on publish, you'll realize that once you tap on it to start a conversation, you're going to see the same image pop up just like before. And then from there, they can start their conversation or they can choose to call you. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.